Do you still translate everything in your head when you speak English? That's exactly what slows you down. In this video, I'll show you how to make your brain think in English naturally, confidently, and fluently. Hey, I'm your English learning coach, and welcome back to the channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we'll learn 5 powerful steps to train your brain to think in English, just like native speakers do. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips like this. Let's talk about the real reason you struggle to speak fluently. You are translating from your native language. And your brain is doing double work, first thinking in your language, then finding the English version. That takes time and causes hesitation. When you translate, you slow down. You get stuck. You doubt yourself. That's why native speakers sound natural. They don't translate. They just think in English. So how can you train your brain to think in English? First, let's understand how thinking in English works. Every time you say something, your brain does 3 important jobs. First, take an idea from your mind. Next, find the right words in English. And finally, say the words clearly. So how do we make your brain do all 3 things faster? We need practice, but don't worry, this isn't school. There are no tests. Your brain is your teacher. And here are 5 lessons for your brain. Lesson 1, start with simple thoughts. How many thoughts do you have every day? Hundreds. Most of them are simple, like, I'm hungry or it's cold today. You can use these simple thoughts to start training your brain. Say these phrases out loud 2 to 3 times a day. In the morning, on your way to work, before bed. You don't need a teacher, your brain is your teacher now. Lesson 2, surround yourself with English. The more English you hear, the more your brain will adapt. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, play music. Even if you don't understand everything, it's okay. Babies learn new words the same way. They don't understand words at first, but they listen, and then, boom, they start speaking. If you're a beginner, watch short videos on social media platforms. They're great for learning English. Or you can watch English YouTubers. Just search Learn English or English Lessons and pick someone you like. Next, listen to short stories. You can find a playlist with 100 short stories. The link is below. Finally, always use English subtitles whenever possible. Lesson 3, label things around you. When you walk into a room, what do you see? A sofa, a TV, a window. Take a few minutes to look around and make a list of the things you see. Then write the name of each thing in English. Next time you're in that place, try to read the names in your head. This will help you to remember them. One day soon, you won't need the list. Your brain will automatically think in English when you see a sofa, TV, or window. You won't need to translate. But how can we do this faster? Here's one tip. Take sticky notes and write mirror, fridge, window. Then put these sticky notes near the places you spend the most time. This will remind you to think in English, not your native language. Lesson 4, ask yourself questions. What time is it? What's your name? What's the weather like today? These are simple questions, but if you don't know the answers, you will have to think in English first. And that makes your brain work faster. Try this exercise. Stand in front of the mirror. Talk to yourself. Tell your brain, we speak English now. Lesson 5, use stories and pictures. This is very important. Native speakers use visual thinking. They use images and stories in their minds to remember words and sentences. This helps them to speak more quickly and naturally. For example, if I see a photo of a woman walking in the park, I might think, a woman is walking in the park. She has brown hair. She looks happy. Maybe she's going for a run, or maybe she's just enjoying the weather. See, I created a little story in my head. Now it's easier for me to talk about this photo in English. My brain doesn't need to think about the words. They're already in my visual memory. Now close your eyes and imagine a blue sky, white clouds, green grass, a big red ball in the air. Can you picture it? Good. Now use your imagination every day. Imagine a different story every day. You can also use AI to help you. If you don't know how to draw, don't worry. Or you can use Pinterest or even Google Images. Find a random photo every day and create a small story in English based on what you see. Let's repeat lesson 1, start with simple thoughts. Lesson 2, surround yourself with English. Lesson 3, label things around you. Lesson 4, ask yourself questions. Lesson 5, use photos to create stories. Now tell me in the comments, what's one English thought you have every day? Write it in English. Thinking in English is really helpful. It will feel strange at first. But day by day, your brain will adapt. You'll stop translating. You'll start thinking and speaking fluently. By the way, if you want to improve your English step by step, you can download the free PDF, How to Speak Fluent English in 3 Easy Steps. It has 30 lessons. Each lesson will help you to improve your English step by step. There are also quizzes in the PDF so you can check your progress. If you finish all 30 lessons, you'll be a different speaker of English. More confident, more fluent, and more natural. Want to get this PDF? Go to the website. Click the button and get your free PDF. Fill in your details and you'll receive a copy of the book immediately. You can study it now and start seeing fast improvements in your speaking skills. Go to the website now, hurry up, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye.